Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an error F19. So what is this error and how can we get rid of it? This is a pretty simple error with a pretty basic fix. The error is that there's a flow meter that measures the water coming into the machine. And controls the water coming into the machine. And if that is not working properly, it's stiff or it's not turning properly, or not turning freely, you'll get this error. So what you really need to do is just replace it, which probably means the whole water intake valve will need to be replaced and you'll be able to get rid of this error. So anyways, yeah, the F19 error is a flow meter that's not turning freely, and that's why it's giving you this error. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.